Today in the livestock market, now cattle was a little bit lower today. That cash trade was steady. I think traders did expect something better, and it didn't quite come here at the end of the week. Technically, we've given back about half of last week's gains, which was somewhat of a disappointment, I think, for what we expected out of this market. The CVOL stayed the same at around 16.7%, and we thought that perhaps with the decline in the corn and soybeans that it might give this market a little bit of a bump, but it didn't. And you know what? Maybe it looks like it's the end of the month, and everybody wants to take a little bit of profit off the table. We're just got to be careful that it doesn't build a whole lot of momentum going forward. Now, feeders were also easier. I think feedlots are struggling here at the end of the month. Box beef prices are still higher, but packers are just not being more aggressive. That being said, it's possible that we are starting to look now towards the holiday that's coming here, the Labor Day holiday. And, the uncertainty about this Delta virus. And we know that that has been impacting these markets and kind of having a little bit of a pessimistic shadow over it. But we have to just continue to look at the numbers and the demand here. We've been here before, and so perhaps we're going to be able to right the ship or kind of like steady the emotions a little bit quicker than we did last year. Now, hogs were down again. I think the lower cash and lower cutouts added some pressure to the market, and I think that futures really started to slip a lot more than even I expected. We gave back a lot of the gains that we've made over the last 2 weeks. So we're down from, $94 to 87.2 in just 4 sessions. So it really has given up a lot here. Traders just don't have confidence to step back in and add to their long positions. The CVOL was up, though, to 32%, and that's because probably we've, dropped so quickly. That being said, there's still a lot of fundamentals that are kind of positive for the lean hog market. That's something that we have to kind of take a look at again. But, next Monday was going to be a whole new month, and we'll be able to kind of take a look at, what are the fundamentals, what are the numbers driving these markets, and then we'll go forward from there and see if the other news will give some market direction to the livestock complex.